Alright, do you want a shotgun up now? I failed. I need to die. Wait, I'll try to you. Stand on the corner. Right on the corner. No, to the right. To the right. Oh, alright, Christ. Hold on. Alright. You went up, but you didn't move. That one failed. You're shooting, but not jumping. Wait, if I die, shoot yourself up. It's actually really easy when you know the... I might start talking all YouTubey and stuff. So it won't be cute, don't worry. If I do start talking weird. Alright, got him. Oh, close. Yep, easy. Come on to it. You can't even get onto there. Alright, got him. Fucking hell, I went miles. I'm trying to try and shotgun jump onto the actual fucking plane. Just to be lazy. That's why I said shotgun jump onto it. Yeah, I know. I've done it first time in Search and Destroy. I'm on it now. You see? How the fuck? No, because I'll die. No, don't kill me. Oh, no, shoot me. Oh, for fuck's sake. I died, but you didn't. Oh no, wait, I ain't laid down tab. Shotgun. You'd be well pissed off if you had it. What the fuck? How the fuck can you die, but not me? Oh great, so you die now. I wanna die! Oh my god, I'm getting a kill streak! I've already got up there, smarty pants. I'm just gonna pick it up, it's now or never. Oh, it's never. Alright, yeah, kinda, off you get. I'll do another one. Little explore. You could get up this way, I reckon. Wait, come down here, quick. Come down here. Hello. Hello. You wanna try it, don't you? Yeah, I know. Should see you appear through there. Nope, you failed. Alright, if you stand... No, look, we'll do it. Alright, forget about that one then. What about this one? I know it is. We'll try it here, try this one. Alright, ready? I fell through! Oh, it's not as easy as that though. We fucking kill each other. Shit. I got on there first time a second ago, that's well annoying. Alright, ready, we'll try once more. You shot me at 2. Alright, got in, you up. I'll do it to you now. Don't think you can fucking jump then. I'm on 5 minutes 42 already. Alright, got in. You're not even fucking jumping. Got in. Fuck that one. Where else is that? We'll do this one, the practice one. We'll do the practice one. We couldn't do this before. It was like really fucked up. Up the arse. Go on. We can do all the rest. Fucking quarry and terminal, and then there's this one. No. Don't think so. Alright, gone in. Does help if you shoot me. Wait, reloading. Oh. Nice, well timed though. There you go. Yeah, what about it? Oh, that bit. Well, that's completely different. Yeah, I'm on the security bit. It's quite good, this. It'd be wicked for search, this, if you could do this online. It'd be fucking immense. Everyone would be doing it though, wouldn't they? So, that'd be quite a problem. Tech v Carbons has joined. Tech v Skills, and Tech v Carbons. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna end this video now with a please comment, rate, and subscribe. Yeah, alright, sorted.